today's video, we're going to show you how to register on Hola Prime Markets. First, just head to the top right corner of the website, holaprimemarkets.com, and click on Sign Up. A new page will open. Now fill in your details like first name, last name, and choose your date of birth. Once basic details are entered, enter your address details, your country from the drop-down, and your city, and then enter your valid email address. Make sure it's correct because all communication will go there. Next, add your phone number, and finally, set your password. Keep in mind the given below rules when setting your password. It should have at least 8 characters, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and more. Then, retype it or simply copy and paste to confirm. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. You'll get a verification code on your email. Enter it and click Continue. If you want, you can upload your documents and verify your account now or do it later. And that's it. You're all set and registered on Hola Prime Markets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.